morning everyone, happy Vlogmas day 9. I'm just enjoying a cup of coffee right now in my new, I woke up like this mug, and I tried to make a frothy coffee. I didn't have enough milk in the French press, so it wasn't quite as frothy as I wanted it. I hope you guys are having a fantastic Wednesday. I can't believe it's Wednesday. The days are just flying by. I get to this like point in the middle of December where I no longer know what day of the week it is. I no longer know what time of the day it is. I just am in like full-blown Christmas mode, and every day just kind of meshes into one, and I don't know when the weekends are or anything, and I'm loving that. It's really cold this morning. I hope you guys got through Storm Barra last night all right. Pretty windy still here. Like, I was gonna go out for a little walk with Noah this morning because I didn't get out for a walk yesterday, obviously because it was the middle of the storm, and I don't think I'm gonna get out again today because it's just very blustery and wet and just miserable out. Our egg chair blew over. That was about the height of it. Dad kind of like tied it down last night because it blew over, and everything else kind of stayed intact. But I know I've seen like videos and pictures of people's trampolines up against electrical poles, floods. It's just been kind of crazy, so I hope you guys are all okay and doing okay, and it didn't affect you guys too much. I know a lot of houses in Malahide were out with power and everything. It's just kind of like crazy. It was really stormy, and it was really loud last night. Like when I was in bed, it was howling through the house. I have no major plans today. I'm just gonna stay home because it's so wet and miserable, and kind of have like a PJ day. I was just putting away some of the stuff that I got in Boots the other day. I never showed you guys this, but I got the One Move liquid eyeliner from Inglot. I have talked about this before, how much I love it, and it was on clearance for €3 in Boots, and I checked it and everything. I just opened it myself to make sure that it was okay. I just absolutely love this, like my favorite liquid liner. I presume it's been discontinued since it was reduced, so that's kind of sad. And then I also picked up the butter gloss. I've seen this all over TikTok and I was like, I need that. The butter lip glosses are making a comeback in a huge way, and I have creme brulee and sugar cookie and a few of them in my collection, but I didn't have this one, so I will be using that and see what I think of it. I couldn't get my nude truffle lip liner that I absolutely love. It's like sold out everywhere. I don't know, maybe just it's a really popular shade and I didn't realize it. So I'll have a look the next time I'm near Nick's counter again, because I just absolutely love it and I'm flying through it. Like, even though it's really long lasting, I'm wearing it so much, and I'm not used to wearing makeup as often as I have been lately, and I'm just like absolutely flying through it. I'm gonna put on some Christmas socks. I got these in Home Savers or B&M if you live in the UK, and I think I'm gonna put on the ones with the little candy canes on them. Why not? Christmas socks at the ready. Look at the state of my hair, and it's so dark right now. I think these socks were like €4 or €5. I can't quite remember. Oh, they're so fluffy. I love them. Yeah, my feet are all toasty warm. They're actually the cutest socks ever. I love them. I'm all finished editing Vlogmas day 7. I have it exported and uploaded, and I'm making it live right now. It's taken so long, so I think I'm just gonna lay off the editing now for a little bit because I have to do Vlogmas day 8, which was yesterday's vlog, next, and I'm just going to chill for a bit. But I'm not really in the mood for editing again, and I just got Noah down for a nap. It took a long time. The poor little fella's been fighting sleep. It's his teeth, they're killing him. I'm also watching the Santa Claus. I just paused it while I was finishing up this vlog. I just had it on the background. I've seen it like 500 million times, but it was just on the background while I was working. Also guys, I just discovered Whitney Port has a YouTube channel. So I was watching her videos. She does like these reaction videos to the hills. I saw Holly Ann and Marie talking about them the other day, and I was like, oh my god, I did not know she had a YouTube channel, and I went straight on. So she goes through every episode with her husband and kind of like talks about like a little bit of behind the scenes and like what happened on that day. So I've just started on the hills episode 1 because I didn't watch any of the city. I wasn't as keen on the city, so I'm on season 2 episode 1. Sorry, I started on season 2 episode 10 for some reason. I just watched those two. And it's actually so funny. Her husband is absolutely hilarious, Timmy. He just makes me laugh so much. I was in tears laughing at this the other night in bed. But I definitely recommend checking out her channel, especially if you are a lover of the hills and just a trip down memory lane. Like, I watch the hills quite regularly, so I kind of know the scenes in and out, but it's just kind of her perspective and her view on what happened. And then she kind of gives, like I said, a few little trinkets of information that you might not have known about already. But I really recommend checking out her channel. It's brilliant. Oh, the fire is dying. I better throw a few logs on and a few bits of coal. Our Christmas tree is so pretty this year. It's so pretty every year. I love it. Mum and Dad go all out. I just love the big Christmas tree. Noah is currently napping. Honestly, every single time I'm talking to you guys, it sounds like I'm putting him down for a nap or he's just napping, but that's the only time I get to vlog. So most of the time I am actually talking to you, Noah is sleeping, because that's just the way I can do the vlogs unless I'm out and about with him or with Paddy, or he's kind of quiet. I feel like Vlogmas vlogs this year are very, very short, just because I don't have as much time as I used to since obviously becoming a mother. I just hope that these vlogs are somewhat interesting. I know I say that quite a lot, but it is what it is. I obviously prioritize Noah, and whenever I can do little bits and pieces, I just do whatever I can. Also, on another note, whichever subscriber recommended this, the Ferrero Rocher bar, it's been a big hit in my house. I think there's only like 4 squares left. Everybody's just been eating it. I had like 2 squares, I think, and I went and got some of it today. I was like, oh my god, there's like nothing left. Big fan of this. It's lovely. So Ferrero Rocher bar, winner. Not as nice as Ferrero Rocher's. A bit behind the old advent calendar, so we have to open up 3. Well, there's 6, we have to do 4.
Where's 2 quarters?
Where's 5?
3, 6, 4.
Well, they're not all in like a row. We go all up to date. You don't like that dinner? Okay, we'll get you something different. I just had the nicest shower ever. I've just applied my moisturizer. I used the Bare Mineral Ageless, what's this called? Phytoretinol night cream concentrate. I think I'm just gonna go downstairs now, chill out with Noah, because it's, let me see, 8:25, so I'm going to put him to bed now. We had shepherd's pie for dinner. It was delicious, and I think tomorrow I'm going to make a lasagna, or maybe I might wait till Saturday and make a lasagna. I don't know why I'm thinking of dinner tomorrow night at 8:30 at night tonight. But anyway, so I'm just going to get into my jammies. Do you know, I can't find any of my Christmas jammies. I really wanted to wear some tonight. Instead I'm wearing my Chicago t-shirt. I talked about this the other day. I know I'm wearing it to bed and it's like a daytime t-shirt, but it's so cozy. I just love this t-shirt. I don't know what it is about it. It's just a nice fit. Unmatching pajama bottoms, but I would like to be wearing Christmas jammies tonight. Noah's wearing his Christmas jammies to bed. I bought a pair in Pennies, which I'll show you all tomorrow, because I have like a big Pennies haul, or like the bits that I picked up in Pennies the other day when I was in Blanche, and I'll show you what I got. Yeah, but I'm going downstairs now. I just came in the bathroom to do like my nighttime routine, put my cleansers and stuff on, and just realised that I've already done all that, because I cleansed my face in the shower and moisturised when I got out. So the only thing I'm going to do is just put an eye cream on. This is the Ren Brightening Dark Circle eye cream. I need some brightening. And do you remember I put like pseudo-creme on the spots that I have, and this one's kind of like cleared up and stuff, so I'm just going to put another little dash of it on tonight. Why did I put that eye cream so low? I often wonder, like, do these eye creams actually work? Like, does this actually reduce the dark circles? Because I don't notice any difference. I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. I have no idea what the hell I was even filming. I'm gonna do my little pseudo-creme spot thing again. Patty thinks this is hilarious, like the fact that I have like pseudo-creme on my face. Like, this is cream that I put on Noah so that he doesn't get a nappy rash. That's probably way too much cream. I don't care. Someone actually asked me, did I find the perfect Chelsea boots? And do you remember the boots I ordered before on ASOS? They came back into stock strangely after like Black Friday, so maybe they're just like waiting to put them back up to full price again. I don't know. And I ordered them. Please let them send me a 4 this time. So we'll see when they arrive. They're due to arrive, I think, on Monday. I will show you guys. So let's hope that they fit me this time, or that they send me the right size and that I still like them, because it's just been such a rigmarole over bloody Chelsea boots. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching today's vlog. I really appreciate all of you guys that are watching these vlogmases as well. Like, it really means so much in the bottom of my heart, so thank you so much, and I will talk to all of you in tomorrow's vlogmas. I love you guys so much. Mwah. Bye.